In the heart of the capital city of Cameroon, Yaoundé, lies some of the most historic sites of the country. Amongst these sites are the European cemeteries commonly known in French as Les Cimetières des Blancs. Located opposite the Ministry of Transport, this site covers a vast surface area of land of more than 100 square meters. The graves in this cemetery are arranged in segments, rows, and columns.
In all the capital cities, in Africa, you have European cemeteries, and because of the presence of all those persons who come here as concurrents or as administrators, and you have three kinds of war graves. You have one around the Ministry of Finance, where the spot the German came when they came in Cameroon, and they had to keep their fellows who was dead. Yes, Ministry of Finance. This is the German war grave cemetery, and now around the Ministry of Sports, you have the French war grave.
History holds it that before the arrival of frequent international aero transportation, fallen French soldiers from the war were temporarily buried in this site while awaiting a possible plane that could transport their bodies to their final destinations.
The particularity of European cemeteries is the fact that by the time, around the end of the 18th century, there was no plane and no means to bring cars from Africa to Europe. So they buried the people there.
With a beautiful and heavily vegetated surrounding, the grave of these ex-servicemen are built following strictly religious manner. More so, the grave of a prominent Greek could be found here.
The fact is that going about cemetery, it is a religion, a Christian tradition. Yes, because in other religions they don't build graves with this cross and this message. But in the cemetery of the French cemetery, the French were assimilated with the Greeks, Lebanese, and other persons. So you have there the burial of Papadopoulos, who was very famous founder of the Yaoundé town. He was a Greek.
Nevertheless, this site, which is bordered by the beautiful Charles Atangana Garden, is open to all visitors who wish to pay their last respect in remembrance of the dead.